How to blow dry your hair with Revlon hair dryer brush, Fuzzy hair edition. So what you can see here is my hair freshly washed, and I used the blow dry brush. This was the very first time that I was using this brush. So there are different settings. I started with the lowest setting possible. Um, it is not painful to brush your hair with this brush. It is absolutely not painful. That's the first thing that I noticed. Another thing that I noticed is that the air coming from it is really nice. If you increase the setting, it's going to be very hot, but if it's the lowest setting, the air is basically not that hot. So I brushed through each section little by little, and I was using the brush and seeing how it was drying my hair little by little. And honestly, it dried the hair pretty fast, and I noticed that it really dried the hair very, very fast. It did not take me a very long time to finish going through my whole hair. Actually, it was actually very easy. All through the process, it was very easy. It was not painful. I did not experience shedding. I did not experience breakage. The tool is actually very useful, and you can increase the heat according to how much you are comfortable. But honestly, I wasn't that comfortable with getting the heat very, very high. That's why you will see that in the end, my hairstyle isn't it's like not like close to bone straight, because I really did not go very far with the heat settings. So you can see on this side that the hair is just like blow dried. It doesn't look like so smooth as if I'm just about to use this flat iron on it to get it like bone straight, because my intention was not to get my hair to be bone straight. I basically would have something like an afro after this, but a dry afro. So here I am going in the second section of my hair. I start obviously with the tips. I go little by little. I really take my time because the aim is not to break the hair, but to dry it and to brush it. And another thing that I'm saying here once more is that the brush is not painful to use. The brush is not breaking the hair. It really goes. It's really a paddle brush. Actually, it's very easy to comb your hair with this brush, even if your hair is fussy. Because I know that some people will think that this is just for women whose hair is like bone straight or not that curly. But with fussy hair, it works perfectly well. So this is me brushing this through my hair. And as I was saying, it did not take a lot of time. Actually, it really didn't take a lot of time. I just had to brush and brush and brush and go back through the sections time and again. And honestly, like I insisted a lot backwards behind, because I really wanted the hair to dry out. So as I was saying, it really dries the hair, but not dries like leaving the hair like without any nutrients afterwards. Because I what I actually did is, before using the brush, I put shea butter on my hair. So um as there's a little heat from the brush, it helps the shea butter to actually like seal in moisture into my hair shaft. So you see, because it melts the shea butter and then you seal in the moisture into my hair shaft. You see, after that, my hair was very shiny and very soft. It didn't take like more than 30 minutes to do all this, and the result was very satisfying. The thing is actually useful, and this is the final result. This is what my hair looks like at the end of all this. So tell me what you think about it and follow for more.